this is the finished look. Yeah, we're gonna like this because I didn't do my hair. But yeah, this is the finished look, just like my first video when I had my turn in. Okay, I'm not doing this lip, it's coming off. This is like a black color, but we're just gonna keep it simple. This is how my makeup looks. My phone case is super dirty right now. So I'm about to leave right now, actually. I'm waiting for the Uber, and then when I get there, I will check in with you guys again.
Turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that ain't cool beside. All the niggas brown, right at it died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. DT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder,
Thank you. Look back here. When I put in this stuff, I can't believe it. He let me in my eyes. Act up, you can get snatched up.
If you fight, your homegirl fighting too.
Fever. If you can't broke it off, hasta la vista. Pussy, power.
That's how we're reaching out.
I don't want to come on
That's not how where do we think I you know say me no love chat. Press them well fit, press the ass and fuck that. Can't fuck if you feel like you want to. And we can do the things we really need to.
I am.
And we can run the place, and they forget you. Come see me. She know me want to show. Like a baby, it's not.
Y'all fake turning up. If you know you bring with the birthday girl, pull over.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside.
Which one?
All the niggas brown, higher than they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
I'm gonna go around. Okay guys, so we're back home. I'm standing in front of the fridge right now. My face is mad oily. I'm fucking tired. So just wash my face, get these lashes off. It's been a minute since I wore strips, but get these lashes off and go to bed. So yeah.